Hi and welcome to this beginner tutorial in Fusion 360. The course will be do solid modeling from drawings and pictures. You can start Fusion 360 and choose data panel, and I missed in the first lesson to show you how you start a new project. I think we start a new project and double click. Here we have a new project and right click, Fusion 360 beginner, enter. I will activate the keystroke visualizer and double click. We are here and we create. When you start Fusion 360 you get a new file as standard. You can save it and we have Fusion 360 beginner and we can call it exercise 1. Save. Yeah, and here I have the drawing. We have two views, one front and one from the side, and we have a dimension. We have a plate with a hole, and I think it's good practice to do exercise from drawings, and you do it precise and as fast as you can. So we have 80 and 45. We start with that. We create a new sketch. We can do it in the top plane, rectangle, and when you have it like that you can do 80, tab, 45, finish sketch. It's fully constrained and extrude, and I have a bad memory. We will have 50. And we choose the face of top and create a new sketch. Then we should have a hole and it should be 20. The diameter should be, and we use the auto constraint to get the middle point, and then we have to set the dimension and press the D button. Then we can take escape and drag. We see we got one dimension, it's not fully constrained. So we have to set it so we lock it. I put wrong. No, I choose the right. We take escape and remove that constraint. I mean, it should be 40. And finish sketch, we take extrude again, choose, draw it, we have automatic cut, and we take to all. and we are done. One way to check if you're correct, now we got the body, and we can right click and take properties, and we see we got the volume, we got millimeters. You can have document settings, units, millimeter, volume 49287.611 cubic millimeters. Check that you got the correct volume, and we are done. Thank you. Bye bye.